The state DOT doing a good job clearing off those highways where we're seeing some blacktop, but the back roads can be a bit dangerous. You got to drive with a little bit of respect for the snow out there. Look at this. A little while ago on Cheshire near Lanyon Drive on Route 10, it looks like a car spun out, went right into a brick wall of some kind, or at least a stone wall right there, and an ambulance was called. We don't know how bad the injuries are. It looks like the damage isn't catastrophic to the car, but that's just a reminder. There's plenty of snow on that road. You can't see blacktop there in Cheshire.